How to connect Disney Plus to your TV. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to connect Disney Plus to your TV. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Disney Plus has become one of the most popular streaming services since its launch, offering a wide range of content from Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic. If you want to enjoy your favorite shows and movies on the big screen, you might be wondering how to get Disney Plus on your TV. In this guide, we will provide you with an easy step-by-step guide on how to install Disney Plus on TV. There are several ways to install Disney Plus on smart TCL TV. One way is to use the TCL Roku TV remote and follow these steps. Press the home button on your TCL Roku TV remote. Scroll up or down and select streaming channels. Select search channels now and enter Disney Plus in the search field. When you see the channel, use the directional pad on your TCL Roku TV remote to highlight Disney Plus. Press the OK button on Roku remote to view details. Now select Add Channel. Another way to install Disney Plus on a TCL Smart TV is to use the Google Play Store. Here are the steps. First, turn on your TCL Smart TV and connect it to the internet. Next, navigate to the home page and select the Apps tab. Now, select Get More Apps and launch the Google Play Store. Tap on the search bar there and type in Disney Plus and press OK. When you find the Disney Plus app, select Install and then Open to launch the app. It is also possible to install Disney Plus on a TCL Android TV. Here is how. Turn on your TCL Android TV and connect it to the internet. Next, navigate to the home page and select the Apps tab. Now, select Get More Apps and launch the Google Play Store. Tap on the search bar and type in Disney Plus and press OK. When you find the Disney Plus app, select Install and then Open to launch the app. So, this is how you can connect Disney Plus to your TV. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.